So for the last couple months, I've been building and selling PCs on Facebook Marketplace, but there was one problem. I didn't know what I was doing. So after building my own PC a couple years ago and coming across PC flipping videos on YouTube, I figured it couldn't be that hard, right? Wrong. So after searching Amazon, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace for parts, I just started buying parts. After about a week of waiting, all the parts finally came. I wanted to go with all white parts because those are the computers I thought would sell best, and most people prefer white cases anyway, so why not fill them out with white parts? After adding up all the parts, the total came to $456.18.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn! God damn! What?
On first hand, that price sounds good, but as someone selling the computer, that's really expensive. This is one of my first mistakes as a PC flipper. Even though now I know I spent too much on the parts, I still made a profit. And since I didn't record the selling process and everything, here's how much I sold it for, here's how much I spent on the parts, and here's how much I made. Now, low-key, this PC sold faster than the Popeye's chicken sandwich in 2019. This PC selling that fast was a surprise to me because I didn't expect them to sell as fast as this. Although this one sold fast, I didn't expect the rest to, which they actually didn't. So if you're looking to get into PC flipping, don't expect your computers to sell in a day or even 2 days. They can sit for up to weeks. So the key to selling PCs is really patience. I usually just try to build more than one computer so I have something to do in the meantime. With me selling this first PC so fast, it did help me build my confidence, you know, my aura/riz. But this is something I could see myself doing for a long time. Since I didn't document everything for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna carry everything from 2024 over into 2025 and just start from there. Yo, what's up? It's Future JP here. I was supposed to start a build the same day I recorded the first part of the video. It's now January the 4th and my parts are still not here yet.
Oh, God damn!
For some reason, everything I ordered got sent to California. Don't know how, but now we wait.
One eternity later.
Alright, so some of the parts came, but not all the parts, just a computer case that I can actually start a build in. So we're just gonna get started on that. The case I'm using is the T3 Plus from Zaleman. Next, we got 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM from Kingbank. Our processor is a Ryzen 5 1600. My motherboard is a B450 AM4-A. For storage, I went with a 512 M.2 from Silicon Power. Originally, I was going to use a 1070, but ended up switching to a 1060 instead for this build. And for my power supply, I'm using a 600 watt bronze from EVGA. Finally, to cool my processor, I'm using this white cooler from ID Cooling. Now let's get into the build. Now this build is really for someone who's new to PC gaming. It's more like an entry-level PC. Gamers that play like Fortnite, Apex, or Valorant. Someone coming from a console, this is more than enough to get you started, especially if you're not familiar with PC and don't want to spend a lot of money. I usually try to make all my PCs like entry-level friendly just for someone who's getting their first computer. Cause no cap, I know when I made my first computer, I had no idea what I was doing. I mean, I still don't. Look at this. But after building about 10 PCs or so, I finally got it all together. Now let's install Windows and turn on the computer and make sure it works. And there we go. And after Windows finally installs, I usually run games like Apex, Fortnite, or Overwatch, because those are the popular games that people usually play. And also, before that, I run OCCT to make sure all the parts are stable and are working fine. Now, I don't play Apex, and I was playing with one hand, but I still managed to get about 100 FPS, which is more than enough for someone who's new to PC or just looking for an entry-level PC. Okay, I also ran benchmarks on Fortnite. As you can see, I'm averaging over 100 frames, close to 150. This is in performance mode, but even without performance mode, I managed to average over 100 frames still. I'm gonna list this PC at only $400. I think it's a good value. Besides that PC, I have two other PCs that are currently listed. One I built myself, and the other I sold a PC and also got a PC in return that I'm trying to sell as well. So my goal is to make $10,000 off flipping gaming PCs. And I kind of want to take you guys on the journey, so we're going to start at 0. And this kind of concludes the first episode. Hopefully by the second episode, I have some of these PCs sold. And if not, I mean, it's a skill issue. GG, get good at them.